to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Charles, St. Peter's, Florissant, Chestnut, 70, Berkeley, St. John, Weldon Springs, Fort, Breckenridge Hills, Charlotte, Edmondson, and Chet. This includes the following state parks. First, Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 228 and 231. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.